Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on an Xbox controller. You will need a third-party key mapping application to bridge this connection, as direct support is not available for mobile gaming. This process essentially converts your physical controller inputs into simulated touchscreen taps and swipes, giving you a distinct competitive advantage. It requires careful setup to ensure smooth, responsive gameplay and a seamless experience in the game. Begin by downloading a reliable key mapping application, such as Panda Gamepad Pro or Octopus, directly onto your smartphone or tablet. After installation, make sure to grant all required permissions, especially those for overlay display and accessibility services, so the app can operate effectively over other applications. Finally, connect your Xbox wireless controller through your device's Bluetooth settings, ensuring a stable, uninterrupted connection. Once your controller is paired and the mapping software is running, launch PUBG Mobile directly from within the mapper application itself. You must then meticulously map your controller buttons to specific in-game actions, assigning commands like shooting, aiming, and movement to your preferred Xbox controller buttons. Remember to fine-tune your in-game sensitivity settings as well, often reducing them by 25 to 30% initially to match your controller's input precision. To truly master this setup, spend at least 10 to 15 minutes practicing regularly in the game's training mode, familiarizing yourself with every mapped action. Always make sure both your Xbox controller and mobile device have ample battery life for uninterrupted gameplay during crucial matches. While this method offers incredible precision, always remember that third-party applications can sometimes operate in a gray area regarding game developer policies. Enjoy your enhanced gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.